Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Focusing on the victory. Don't be down because you're failing. For every great man of faith had many stumbling blocks before his breakthrough. What made him thrive was his unwillingness to give in. He persisted, focused on his victory, and he was grateful for every improvement along his heartfelt mission and journey. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my family, and I'm very grateful for my friends. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.